Hey out there, it's Krista, Harmon-Overlock, jumping in here today to show you a little Shazam on the eyes. Hope you liked my puns, my eye puns. I am going to, so as another wonderful thing I'm learning as I get older, I'm getting my, hi Mary Kay, my eyelids are falling. So I can either walk around like this, maybe I could tape them, or I could do a little magic with my makeup and make it look like they're not saggy and hanging. And I'm just gonna do one eye so that you can see how awesome. What did you say? Happy 3-year friend anniversary. I know, 3 years, girl, that's been awesome. Okay, I am using our Perfect eyeliner, 18 bucks. I used to use like a, I don't know, it was like a crayon. And I realized that it fell off by the end, like, you know, after 3 hours. So this stays on all day. You actually, it's black. You put it in your eyelash line, so it sort of makes your eyelashes look bigger and fuller. So I'm gonna just, and it looks hard and it feels like if you're not used to this kind of a pen, does take like 1 or 2 tries to get it right. But once you get it right, it's, see, I'm gonna put this literally in my lash line. Once you get it right, it's so easy. I mean, look at that already. Isn't that crazy? So because I need my eyes to look like they're being lifted up, I am going to just put a little tiny wing on the end of it. I'm not really doing a real wing, but I'm going right in my lash line. And I'm not going to go all the way under. For me, well, first of all, I'm not comfortable with it, but I think it makes my eyes look sort of smaller. So I just do a little bit on the edge here. Isn't that unbelievable? Just look at that. I haven't even put mascara on. But you know what else, another little trick I have, and I should have done this first, but I use our one of our concealers. It's the lightest concealer, it's 0. And I use this as like my highlighter, and I put it all around my eye here like this. And it also makes my eye, it takes away that shadow that the hanging hood gives me. So I just use this little brush, concealer brush, and I paint my entire lid. Okay, and you can blend it. I mean, I'm gonna need to blend it, obviously, so it doesn't look like I got punched with a white cotton ball. But just the eyeliner, just look at that. Isn't that unbelievable? I just did eyeliner. I don't know if you guys can notice the difference, but I sure as heck do. So I just did a little bit of that highlighter to give me more of an idea, a feeling of not hooded. And then I'm going to just do, actually, I usually then just do mascara, but I'm going to show you something that I've fallen in love with. Our Bare Metals palette. The collection comes with this eyeliner pen that I just used and a eyeshadow brush. And look at these fun colors. They're all like shimmery. And I was sort of like, oh gosh, can I use that? Yes, I can use that, and I absolutely love it. For every day, I'm gonna use this one. It's called Gilded Lily. I think it's called Gilded Lily, is that right? Is it Gilded Lily? Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little bit on this, and watch how pretty this is. I mean, you really could use this any day, all day, all day. I'm just gonna literally wash it across my lid. Does that look too much? No. Isn't that pretty? It's very pretty. And then if I wanted to add more definition, I'm not even going to do that now because I want you to see how easy this really is. I could go into the corner with this one and give me a little bit more definition here on the corner. And again, I would bring it up here so that it pulls that up as if a piece of tape is here. See? Okay, so that is the Gilded Lily from the Bare Metals palette. The Bare Metals palette with all of this, the whole collection, with the eyeliner pen, a brush, which is awesome, And the palette is it's only 66 bucks. You can buy the palette alone, just like this, for 64, but for $2, why don't you get the $18 liner and the brush with it, right? Okay, so now I'm just gonna finish. Look how easy this is, people. Telling you, you know I am not a pro. I'm not a pro, but when you use pro stuff, what a difference it makes. Obviously, if you curl your lashes, they even look longer. This is our mascara. It's perfect in every single way. There's lengthening fibers in it. So for those of us who do not have those gorgeous, glamorous eyelashes, it gives you that idea of beautiful long eyelash. Oh, see? Do you see what I just did? Lord, oh my. Okay, so see, it's okay that we mess up. And I'm going to do a little bit below. Again, I'm focusing on the outside lashes over here because I want to pull my eye sort of up and out. I don't know if that's the real way of doing it, but it works for me and it makes me feel pretty. And that's all that matters, right? Okay, so do you see the difference? Isn't that like, wow, wow, wow. Can I get a wow, people? How about a heart or a wow? All right, let me see what you guys are saying. Gosh, my hair is crazy today. Bring item to the camera. Oh, bring them. Oh, okay. Very pretty, bright pick. Love how it goes right into my lash line. Yes, it really is. There we go. We got a wow. We got a wow. Woohoo. Yes, it's a big difference, isn't it? And that took me about 4 minutes. I mean, minus the fact that I had to clear up my mess. Not really, really. Wow. Thanks, Mary Kay. Thanks, Carrie. All right. I'm sure you guys have so many friends that want to see this. So share this video. Okay? And it's fun, right? All right. Have a great day, everyone. Mwah.